Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Nissan Altima Platinum Turbo. Here is the original window sticker. 236 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque due to the 2-liter turbo. The upgraded engine choice from the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. Total price on this one is $36,810, although I do think this one's part of used inventory, because what we do, if a car doesn't sell, because this is a 2019, because it's only got like 20 miles on it, if it doesn't sell, we put it into used inventory. Exterior color is super black over the dark interior. Seats are super comfortable. Not sure if they are your zero gravity seats. But yeah. Let's go ahead and take it out for a drive. Of course, this uses Nissan CVT transmission. Actually helps keep this turbo in its torque band. That is your lane departure warning. As you can hear it, it vibrates the steering wheel. You can hear that very, very well. I just can't get over how comfortable these cars are. I mean, these chairs, these seats are just, oh, beautiful. To put this into perspective, this is putting down very, very similar numbers to what my previous Focus ST, considered a Ford performance car, and Nissan Altima. That puts everything into perspective. And the fact I just drove a 600 wheel horsepower C63S and this still feels quick, that's impressive. It has a very, very unique sound to it. Doesn't sound like any other 4-cylinder I've ever heard. It's extremely unique to this car and this motor, because the 2.5 doesn't sound anywhere near like it does in this. Right now I'm using the radar cruise control with steering assist. Notice how it's steering assist. It's not full steering, it's steering assist. And the car is braking right now. I'm not touching the brake. It's very, very impressive, actually. This thing's phenomenal. Alright, actually, you know what? Let me demonstrate. The rear path detection, where it will actually stop the car. Back actually right up to that Nissan Sentra. You hear it will go beep 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 beep. And the car stopped itself. That is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.